Hello everyone, today is the third video of ComfyUI for Architects series. We have already dealt with text-to-image, as well as basic image-to-image workflow. In this video, we will go in further details regarding image-to-image workflow. We will add more details and enrich the process to reach such an architecture concept render output. We will be tackling Lineart ControlNet as well as LoRA Model edition. So let's start. I have here the same image-to-image workflow we developed from the previous video, which contains a single depth ControlNet here. We will add more nodes, but let's first quickly generate an output. Okay. Now let's add another nodes of the ControlNet preprocessor. This time we will juxtapose the depth ControlNet with Lineart ControlNet. This process will ensure extracting depth and lines of an input image. Together, they highly preserve most of the input image data. We will now have here two cosamplers, kind of doing a process similar to an SDXL refiner workflow, and then connect the nodes as so. Let's try running the workflow now. Here is the output. Seems cool to be honest. So I have slightly adjusted some connections in the workflow here. I'll now add a LoRA model loader node and connect it as so. A LoRA model is basically a fine-tuned model that aids the diffusion model in producing specified outputs. It helps to generate more accurate, intricate, and detailed outputs relevant to specific elements, themes or styles. So for example, we want to generate an architectural aerial perspective view. Let's go to Civit AI and search for a LoRA model we want to have. As you can see, there are multiple of different models here. Just make sure that the LoRA model is developed on the same base model you are using. For example, we are using SDXL as the base model for our workflow, so the LoRA model should be based on SDXL version. After finding the model, we will download it and place it under the ComfyUI Model LoRA folder. Now we can select it here. I have selected a model that helps in generating architectural visuals. Let's generate now. As we can see, this is the output. Really cool architectural render, I would say. The unique quality in ComfyUI here is that it is really open for user manipulation. There is no strict correct workflow. Just be sure to have logical and rational framework when building your workflow. So that's it. This workflow we developed is on Patreon. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.